Critics argue it kills teamwork. Why would I help you if I'm ranked against you? And punishes good employees who just happen to be on a great team. This is the one that we're watching, like the interview with Ethan Evans. That's the one that we're talking about. So okay, cool. So let's go back to the video, right? But I will say this. I understand it, but it is kind of messed up to be put against the people that you work with, all right? So anyways, let's get back to the video.
Ran an experiment where after getting years of bad press for stack ranking, they removed what was called the unregretted attrition goal. So Amazon has a goal every year for what they call unregretted attrition, which means people, it's a nice way of saying people we want to leave. And we don't care if you pressure them into quitting or they get fired. It's just there's a number and you put people on a list of folks you want out, and you can either improve their performance to where you take them off the list, they can quit, or you can fire them. But you have to hit a goal, and it's usually like 7% a year. Sometimes it's as low as 4, sometimes it's as much as 7. Amazon.
That is a crazy goal. but here's the thing, because this is a VP who's speaking. How do you know that your company doesn't secretly have those practices as well? Or how do you know there's not already a list that gets updated for if times get hard, who's the first on the proverbial kill list? That's why, for me, I'm always like 24/7, 365. I'm working. I'm strategizing. Right?
Uses lots of words to kind of cloak this process, but the bottom line is it's fire the bottom 5% or so. Here's the thing, when we remove the goal, managers immediately stop having hard conversation and talking to their struggling performers, because without the pressure of having to do it, it was just easier to focus on your good people and let that problem person hang around, because it's not, in a big company, it's not costing your burn rate that you know about or care about, and you don't have to have that unpleasant conversation, and you also don't have to be the bad guy. One of the
that part right there, I was like, I see the point. And it sucks because this is why it sucks, right?